Yep, it's dark, everybody. Inside anyways. I gotta get my glove on and then we'll start going outside and get everybody checked before it gets too dark, because it's already after 5 and we don't want to, dang, you guys are pigs. I don't want to just like rush it or anything, so we'll come over here. Mr. Tom passed on us. I think it was Monday evening, maybe. He had passed. I don't have my farm boots on, so hopefully I don't slip and fall. But there's Miss Mango. We still have her. But yep, Mr. Tom died. Hi, Mango. What you doing, pretty girl? Huh? Yeah? What you doing? And our quail's still doing pretty good. My husband's thinking about just letting them go once the spring comes. We're going to try to allow them to maybe breed, if they'll actually breed this time around, and then lay eggs and see if we can't get a broody hen out of those. And if they can hatch them, then, you know, we would then do, there's Mr. Pepper. My husband calls him Booger. But we would then try to raising those that have hatched, but they're so small that we would need probably like a lot, because, you know, my husband, he said he could probably eat, you know, four to six of those birds by himself. So I get, now that I see how tiny they are, but he says that he's probably going to just plan on, we're going to do meat birds next year. We're going to do some pheasants since they're a bigger bird. We're going to do some turkeys for meat, and then hopefully keep a set for breeding that are going to be the heritage turkeys. And then get a few more egg layers, get rid of those speckled ones that we have because we don't like them. They're very very carnivore for being chickens. They're very bored and they tend to peck each other. So we want to get that done. Hi, Diamond. I hear you, honey. You guys got plenty of hay. You guys were all in there eating when I got home. So I just want to make sure nobody up here needs anything. Yes, Diamond, I hear ya. And of course, yes, Jack, I hear you too. Really? You got that much to say to us, right? Man, everybody's gonna need water. These little tanks just don't cut it. There's Odessa. There's like hardly any hay left. Yeah. There's Miss Snow White. Hi, girl. What's you doing? Huh? What's you doing? Patsy? Willow? Patsy? Patsy girl? Yes? Hi, sweetie. Willow? You guys need your water broke? It kind of looks that way. You guys probably need some food, and you guys need some food. You guys actually got quite a bit here. I'm not going to give you any. Everybody looks like they do, besides these girls right here, but I'll throw this into them, and this should be enough. Not just this piece I'm saying, but what is left here anyways. I'll throw this in here. I heard a gunshot. It's kind of hard to carry this and get it in there. Let's see if I can't throw it with my left hand. I did a little bit, so that should be enough for them. They still have plenty. They've got plenty. I'm not feeding anybody. Everybody's got plenty. Be careful not to walk through that, because that's just a muddy mess. They're saying we've got another major storm coming. Thanksgiving Day or evening, something like that. So that's something we're going to look forward to. We'll see how much snow we get that during that time. Hi, Jill. What you doing? Jack. Hey, handsome boy. What you doing, buddy? What you doing? Hi, Jill. Hi, Jill. And then, of course, you got the boys. They're all in there, including Mr. Bear. He's behind Zeus. I can see him. Diamond. There she is. There's Miss Jazzy inside there. What you doing? You gonna come here? Huh? You gonna come here and say hi? Look at her. She's gonna clear across the mud pit to say hi to Mama. Here she comes. Here she comes. Come on. Come here. Okay, come here. I can't reach your way over there, girly girl. I know it's yucky and wet, isn't it? It's just yucky and wet. I know. It's just yucky and wet, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's just yucky and wet. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sweetie. Yes, I am. I'm sorry. Just a pretty girl, though. And Mr. Pepper. Let's see. We will see. We've got water. Hi, Meg. There's Mr. Captain. Mr. Captain, how you doing, buddy? How you doing? Mr. Captain. Is it more itched? Is it more itched? Huh? Is it more itched? Them just want petted? Oh, yes, Sim says that's nice. He says that's nice, isn't it? Yes, it is, Captain. Yeah, that's nice. He likes his shoulders rubbed, doesn't he? Oh, he says that feels nice. Captain. Yes, that's a good boy. Now, this is our 12-year-old who has a missing eye, and it's his left eye because there's his good eye. And then he's got a chunk missing out of his ear on the right side. He's come a long ways since we've gotten him. We've had him almost a year. January, I think, will be a year. There's my Maverick. There he is. Hercules. Hercules. There he is. Hi, big handsome boys. What you guys doing? Huh? I'm walking away and then you want to walk up? Is that it? Hi, Captain. Yes, I'm just a good boy. It's okay. Yes, it is. It's okay. I'll get you right underneath there. I'll show everybody your yucky eye. Yeah. Yeah, it's still me, Captain. He's trying to look at me. Make sure it's still me petting him. I'm petting you, boy. Yes, I am. I'm a petting you. Yes, I am. I'm just petting him. Yes, I'm petting him. Mm-hmm. He's a good boy. Yes, he's a good boy. It's a good boy. Look at you. It's a good boy. Yes, it is. Yeah. Okay. Well, that is that. So I'm going to walk back up to the house. Try not to fall on the driveway. Wait for my husband to get here. And we've got to run up to Portage to Blaine's farm store to get the de-icer drain plug for that. Get a couple more extension cords and then possibly a tank for them. One that's like these smaller tanks. Diamond. She says, Mama, you can come back over here. And not, girl, I'm not coming back over. There's Miss Jazzy. Don't be doing that. That's not nice. You can hear the traffic down the road. That's on, I'm going to say Bourne. But I'm not for sure if that's the name of the road or not. And the sun was huge. Just huge. I don't know by the time my husband gets here if we even have time to run up there by 8 o'clock. They close at 8. It takes every bit of 45 minutes to run up there. Trying to stay in this snow right here instead of getting on where the vehicles have been at. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as we come into tomorrow being Tuesday, November 22nd. So if anybody's got birthdays, happy birthday. And we will see everybody tomorrow. Till next time, God bless.